Alright guys, I'm just pulling up to one of my favorite lakes up here in northern Minnesota. I just wanted to start filming some videos for you guys. I'm going to be doing a little kayaking mission today, and hopefully I can catch some fish, fishing for some largemouth. So you guys stay tuned, and if you do decide to like this video after I post it, feel free to hit that like button and just slap that subscribe button. See you guys on the water. Alright guys, I'm starting off using Texas rigged Googan baits, Slim Shake. So hopefully I can crank some bass in here. Just out here by myself, out here in the yak. The water's really dark, really dark. So hopefully they're still up shallow like they were the last time I was out here in the kayak. There's a lot of logs in this lake. Right here, there's one. There's one. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Ooh, that's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. Come here, come here. Woo! Woo! Whoa, settle down there, Buggy. Settle down there, bud. That is a brute. Absolute brute right here, boys. Look at this tanker. Look at that tanker. See how dark they are? Just gorgeous fish. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna grab the scale here. Or attempt to, without my rod falling in the water. Gosh darn it. Let's get a scale on this bad boy. A nice fish. Three. Let's let this beauty go. She's gone. Nice. Nice largemouth. I wonder where these fish are at, guys. What's going on here? Only caught one so far. I missed one. Well, let's see here. This wind is just not cooperating with me at all here. Come on, Mother Nature. Help me out with the wind. Tie it down a little bit. That was a good cast. I'm gonna try and fish in this spot for a second if the wind will cooperate with me. These fish are biting these bugs on the top of the water. So it's kind of a given wherever the fish are at. They're just going smacking these bugs on the top of the water. It's really easy to find kind of where they're at. You just kind of listen for the smacking on the water. Obviously, it's not always that easy, but that's how it was the last time I was here too. Sometimes it's not always about catching all the fish, guys. Sometimes it's about finding them. And if you've never really fished the lake before, like myself, I've only fished this lake one other time. So, you know, the last time I was here, it was on fire. But while I was out here, there was a storm front coming in. So that definitely could have hyped them up. Oh, no. Fish just pulled me into a log. There's one. Hey, get back here. Come here, little guy. God, they are feisty though. You going? Just got this 3-1, guys. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. Look at that beauty. There she goes. Nice. Just got another 2-pounder, and hopefully I can catch a bunch more. This baby go. Woo! Another 2-pounder, guys. Hell yes. Let's go. Awesome. I'm fishing this little island type deal in this little cove. And I got him right there. Right where he's supposed to be. There's like fish number 10, guys. Getting him on the black and blue jig. Yeah. There she goes. Alright, guys. I just got off the lake. Sorry I didn't film all of it, but I'm going to put this montage together, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I caught quite a few bass, a couple good-sized largemouths for northern Minnesota. So I'm gonna sign off, and hopefully you guys hit that subscribe button and like this video. Peace out, guys.